So now let's say what you want to do is you want to add in SEO keywords inside of your blog or your video for YouTube and so forth. In that case, ChatGPT can help you generate out those keywords as well. Let's say, for example, I am a food blogger and I made a food blog regarding food variety in Vietnam. Give me 50 important keywords that I can keep to optimize my SEO right here, just like this, so that it sets in an optimization. So let me just go around and do that. So I'm giving this prompt. I'm a food blogger and I've made a food blog regarding food variety in Vietnam. Give me 50 important keywords that I can keep to optimize my SEO. So once I go around and send this prompt, it sends me these different keywords, as you can see right here, which is related with this particular topic that I added in. So it says these core keywords cover a wide range of popular Vietnamese dishes and culinary items that can help attract traffic to your food blog. So you can go around and copy this and you can go around and paste it out on your particular post or your video, and it'll help you to improve your SEO. And that is how you can generate SEO keywords inside of ChatGPT. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.